Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden iOS 26 accessibility features on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here is what you can explore: voice control improvement, magnifier upgrades, live captions for videos, sound paginations, customizable accessibility. These are just a few of the hidden gems in iOS 26 accessibility. Exploring this menu can make your iPhone faster, smarter, and easier to use. So open settings and tap on accessibility and discover the hidden iOS 26 features that can make your iPhone smarter, faster, and more helpful than ever. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.